Hello, kamusta po kayo lahat dito mga kapatid Star viewers? I do hope everybody are doing well. So before tayo mag-start, I'd like to thank you everybody, no? Sa palagiang tumatangkilik dito sa aking any of my tarot reading videos, sa The Star Talking Tarot YouTube channel, no? Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat dito. At sa mga tumatangkilik palagi, supportive, shout out po sa inyong lahat dito. Maraming salamat sa pabalik-balik, no? All the time whenever you guys get notification. And don't forget to click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga readings ko. But then again, shout out po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po mga kapatid. Na-appreciate ko po lahat kayo dito. And so, yeah, ang reading natin ngayon is about ito ang reaksyon ng pamilya ng taong iniisip mo ngayon. The first time na nakilala ka niya or nila. Kasi minsan, I'm just saying na we're talking about only one person or maybe you met the entire family. So again guys, kunin nyo lang guys mga kapatid kung saan kayo nakakasunit. Huwag nyo lang pong lahatin, no? Dahil marami po kayong nanonood dito. So yeah, kung hindi nyo man feel random yung ibang mensahe dito o nasabi ko dito, meaning para yun sa iba. But if ever na feel mo yung buong video na ito, then maybe the entire reading is for you, which is good dahil resonated sa inyo yung buong video, yung reading na ito. And yeah, so mag-start na tayo mga kapatid. Yeah, so ang reaction ng mga taong ito nung una kanilang makilala is yung iba dito maganda ang dating mo sa kanila. Nasabi kong maganda ang dating mo sa kanila because you wear colorful clothing, no? Malinis ang dating mo sa kanila. Yung pananamit mo, yung makeup mo, yung sa shoes, something about malinis, no? So, para sa kanila, para bang napapawaw na lang sila sa iyo. The first time na makilala ka, I would say, wow, yayamanin yata si Collective. Wow, ang ganda ni Collective. Unexpected ito. No, mapera si Collective. It's like yung reaction nila na unexpected for the first time na makilala ka nila, na ganito. Ganito ka pala. No, sa itsura mo, siguro sa mga makeup mo, sa skincare mo, napapawaw sila sa iyo. Meron naman dito na may pagka-judgmental yung reaction nila when they first met you, no? Dahil siguro sabihin natin na hindi ka maganda, gwapo, like again guys, huwag tayong magalit kung ganito ang reaction nila. And you know naman kung anong ibig kong sabihin dito. Alright? And yeah, siguro yung iba dito na misunderstood ka lang nila dahil siguro mukha kang tahimik or sa itsura mo na tahimik ka pero parang I don't know, bored ka ba or mukhang nakasimangot. It's just that ganun ka lang talaga, no? Yung itsura mo, parang ganun na talaga siguro yung pinanganak ka na parang mukhang nakasimangot. But face expression mo lang yon. Like again, na-judge, you could be dealing with a family member na judgmental or na misunderstood ka lang nila. Yung face expression mo na mukhang nakasimangot palagi or in general. Or siguro the first time na kilala ka nila is mukha kang nakasimangot. So, yeah, you don't mean anything. Or siguro yung iba dito sa inyo, very specifically, kaya ka siguro nakasimangot dahil hindi mo feel or nasa-sense mo siya or sila na hindi ka nila nagustuhan or hindi mo na-met yung standard nila or somehow in general talagang psychically or nakakaramdam ka lang talaga na hindi ka nila feel. You know what I mean? So, yeah, kaya siguro sinisimangutan mo siya or silent treatment mo na lang sila or kaya siguro tumatahimik ka na lang dahil alam mo na kung or basang-basa mo na kung ano yung first expression niya sa inyo. Right? Yung iba naman dito ay napapansin nila or napapawaw sila sa pagiging generous mo na unexpectedly na napaka-generous ni Collective, mapagbigay, matulungin, masayahing tao, no? And mabait kang tao. At meron naman dito na reaction nila is unexpected sa kanila na, wow, sabihin natin no na mukhang maldita, or tahimik, or nakasimangot, but then later on, unexpectedly, masayahing tao pala to si Collective. Funny pala to kasama si Collective. Masaya pala kasama si Collective. Something like that na unexpected sa kanila, no? Kasi first, sa itsura pa lang, siguro very specific na judgmental na ganun agad ang sa kanila, no? Yung dating na, ay, parang maldita yata siya, pero later on, yun pala. Magaan pala kasama si Collective. Funny pala siya. Joker pala to si Collective. So, yung iba naman dito is, malakas talaga ang dating mo sa kanila. Kaya napapawaw sila sa inyo. Matalino, you look like a very successful person. Siguro na may pagka-boss ang dating mo. And religyoso, that's what they love about you. You talk about God, and yung beliefs mo is siguro different sa kanila, no? Like again, meron ditong pagkakaiba. So, unexpected sa kanila, para sa kanila yung beliefs mo, yung paniniwala mo. And yung iba naman dito, when they first met you, they know that you are psychic. Kaya napapawaw siguro sila no na, or siguro first time nila na makakilala ng, it could be healer, manggagamot, tarot reader, manghuhula, no? Or what, like again, psychic. Meron naman dito something about sa gender. Maybe they talk about your gender, or nagulat siguro sila sa iyo, no? Nasabihin natin na, this is very specific, guys. Sabihin natin na bakla ka, and then, or tomboy, but sa pananamit mo, ibang-iba. Like sabihin natin na bakla ka, but then when you first met them, you were like a girl's, woman's outfit. Mahabang buhok, maganda yung mukha mo, hindi ka mukhang bakla, mukha kang babae, o nagmumukha kang lalaki, something like that na unexpected sa kanila when they first met you. And iba naman dito is siguro may pagka-judgmental din pagdating sa iyong gender. Alright? So, and I'm also getting like, expected mo na yun, yung pagiging judgmental nila. Alright? But, you stand so strong and you don't care kahit na napaka-judgmental nila. Kasi, like again, napaka-psychic mo, nasa-sense mo sila, nararamdaman mo. So, kaya nga siguro, you are a kind of person na, okay, I don't want to face this kind of person anymore. Alright? Siguro yung, ganun ka siguro, pagka nasa-sense mo na plastic ang taong ito, nakikipaghalubilo ka naman, pero like again, nire-respect mo na lang sila, or you just stand alone or stand strong na tumatahimik ka na lang sa tabi, or nagmamasid ka na lang kasi alam mo naman na you know that these people are judgmental, no? Or dahil nararamdaman mo yung pagiging judgmental nila. Okay? So, but then again, you guys are very strong, and you can handle yourself with care. Ano pa? So, yung iba naman dito, yung reaction nila when they first met you, they notice na may pagka-boss ka, or siguro they know na boss ka, or leader type, or amo. Negosyante ka siguro, mayaman, mapera. Meron naman dito na yung mukha kang mayaman, mukha kang mapera, mukha kang boss. It's just that yung aura mo, no? May pagka-leader type. So, kaya hindi ka siguro, it's like unbelievable sa kanila na, ay, tauhan ka pala, pero yung dating mo, yayamanin, yung dating mo, may pagka-negosyante, boss, something like that na unexpected. It's like you handle yourself with care, unexpectedly naman sa iba. Alright? And yung iba naman, when they first met you, mukha kang, it's like a misteryoso yung dating mo sa kanila. they don't know much about you. Kasi siguro, nung pinakilala ka sa kanila, you were like a stranger. Totally stranger sa kanila. So, siguro napapastalk sila sa'yo. They want to know more about you. And siguro gusto nilang malaman yung sikreto mo. It could be sa skincare, beauty products, sa pananamit mo, ano yung brand. Kasi parang branded yung mga damit mo. It doesn't have to be, but it's just yung dating mo, ibang-iba. Kaya gusto nilang malaman. Nako-confuse sila or masyadong misteryoso yung dating mo sa kanila. And it could be also sa stability mo. Maybe you look so stable, mapera, like I said, mas mapera ka pa sa kanila or yamanin ka or they wanna know about your business, kung may negosyo ka or finances. Maybe they want to know about your finances or magpapatulong siguro. Maybe this person specifically na gusto magpatulong sa'yo financially. You are kind of person na willing naman tumulong or open ka about to teach them ano yung sikreto mo when it comes to your stability, finances, kung ano yung alam mo. So willing ka na turuan din sila or magbigay ng advice. And you could be dealing with the people na yung reaction nila is something about sa religion, religyoso, no? Maybe there's a difference between the two of you. Sabihin natin na you are meeting a family member na Muslim and then ikaw naman ay Catholic or Katoliko, So, yan, iba. Parang meron ditong naninibago sila, these people. Medyo kasi people or person. Kasi, like again guys, general reading po ito mga kapatid. So, kunin nyo lang mga kapatid kung saan ka nakakasunod. Kasi, iba-iba yung sitwasyon ninyo. And culture. Meron itong pagkakaiba ng culture and religion. Yeah, so these people, kinda like namimisteryosohan sila sa inyo. Dahil sa relihiyon mo, sa paniniwala mo. Or sa pagiging, sa culture mo. Yeah, you could be dealing with a foreigner family. Yung iba dito. Alright, so alamin naman natin, yung reaction mo sa kanila when you first met them. Para mas ma-identify natin na ikaw, para sa'yo talaga tong reading na ito. So, when you first met the family member of your person or the person on your mind, could be a friend, no? Siguro a family member na friend mo, or could be in a relationship or sa negosyo or could be negosyo. Like again guys, just take what resonates for you here kasi I don't know kung sino itong iniisip mo or what's in your mind, no? A family member na first na nakilala mo siya. So yung reaction mo dito is you think of these people na very successful, mapera or mas may kaya pa sa'yo, no? Yung background niya. Siguro yung reaction mo na, wow, successful pala ang pamilya niya. Wow, stable pala ang pamilya niya, no? And yung iba naman dito, you might be thinking about, na-amaze ka siguro sa pamilya niya. Dahil happy family sila, stable yung pamilya nila, para ba ditong comparing, no? Naikumpara mo yung pamilya mo sa pamilya niya. Na napaka-successful, na stable ang pamilya niya. You could be dealing with I don't know, like again, hindi mo maiwasan na maikumpara mo yung pamilya mo sa pamilya ng person ang iniisip mo ngayon. Kasi ang nakikita ko dito kapatid is you were just amazed about your person's family, na complete family, successful, very stable kumpara sa pamilya mo. And yung iba naman dito, you think of their family na trusted, no? You believe in them and magaan ang pakiramdam mo sa kanila. And like again, overall na-amaze ka sa pamilya niya. Hindi mo rin inaakala na ganito palang pamilya niya. Yung iba naman dito, you admire their family. Siguro yung pamilya ng person mo is very family-oriented. Yeah. And yung iba naman dito, you remain distant. Kasi, like again, nararamdaman mo siguro yung pagiging judgmental nila. Dahil siguro sa um, high standard yung pamilya niya. It could be sa looks or sa finances mo or siguro low esteem ka. The moment na nakilala mo sila, you could be like insecure, feeling insecure. Or you could be dealing you yourself no na napaka-insecure na baka hindi mo ma-met yung standard ng person mo, yung family niya, no? Yeah, it's like more about you. Yeah, you yourself napaka-insecure or parang napaka-advance ng iniisip mo, no? Hindi mo pa lang sila nakilala, parang papunta ka pa lang doon, na-overthink ka na, very specific dito sa inyo. And yung iba naman, distant ka dahil nahiya ka na kausapin sila, or yung iba naman, distant ka dahil alam mo that you are facing or dealing with a family member na napaka judgmental. Siguro, tinitingnan ka nila ng head to toe at alam mo na kung ano yung pinag-isip nila sa iyo, tungkol sa iyo. Kaya, silent treatment mo sila or siguro nga kanina, nasabi ko kanina earlier na nakasimangot ka na lang dahil hindi mo siya feel or hindi mo sila feel ang family member na ito. Alright? So, yung iba naman dito, like again, feeling insecure ka dahil, like again, you could be dealing with a family member na mayaman, mapera, or high standard siguro sila, or baka ma-misjudge ka nila, or like again, insecure ka siguro sa sarili mo or napaka-advance mo lang talaga siguro ng pag-iisip. But you don't know yet talaga kung ano yung totoong reaction nila sa iyo. It's just that how you think that time when you first met them or before na makilala mo sila na siguro you really prepared yourself when you first met them dahil baka ma-misjudge ka nila or something about like ma-misjudge ka nila. You know what I mean? Like, baka na ka lang, na overthink ka lang, kapatid. And meron naman dito sa inyo na you think, when you first met them, yung reaction mo sa kanila is, like again, baka hindi mo ma-met yung standard nila. Na hindi ka mayaman, na siguro from broken family ka, or na hindi ka maganda, hindi ka gwapo, hindi ka successful, something like that. Yung iba naman dito sa inyo, you think na baka mababang tingin sa'yo, no? Yeah. Again, overall, it could be just you na na-overthink, low esteem, napaka-insecure. Alright? So, that's how you feel that time when you first met them. Yung iba naman, you are fully confident na you are successful, you do well, na matalino ka. It's just like you are standing your ground. Matapang ka. Matapang kang hinarap mo sila when you first met them. Yung iba dito, you just don't care. Hindi mo care kung anong sasabihin nila tungkol sa'yo. Or ano ang masasabi nila tungkol sa'yo. You just want to meet them and you just have so much respect towards your person's family members. Like again, you stand yourself into like very strongly. Napakamatapang mo. And that's why the family member sees you na napapawaw sila. Dahil napaka-confident mo. Napaka-confident mo sa sarili. Yung iba dito. Okay? And kaya nga meron tayong dito na napapawaw sila sa dating mo when they first met you. Okay? So, let's move on. At ito naman ang masasabi ng family member niya nang makilala ka, nung una ka lang makilala. Kanina, reaction nila, na napapawaw sila sa'yo. Meron naman dito na yung masasabi nila tungkol sa'yo. Okay, so behind the scene, ang masasabi nila is, meron dito nga family member, balak, lapitan ka para utangan. Dahil nga siguro, or hingan ka ng tulong. Dahil nga siguro sa pagiging generous mo, mapagbigay, matulungin, or sa background mo, no, mapera ka, mataas ang antas mo, leader type, boss, negosyante, it's kind of like may pagka-awkward, no? Para siguro sa iyo din ay ang awkward naman. I mean, para sa akin, ang awkward naman, first met pa lang, no? Ay uutangan ka na agad. This is like a behind the scene, mga kapatid, ha? Um, a plan. Meron ditong a family member na planong utangan ka na napaka-awkward naman. At meron naman dito na ang masabi nila tungkol sa iyo is may future ka. Ikaw ang tao na alam nila na they believe in you. Dahil matalino ka, nakita nila na nag-aaral kang mabuti, lalong-lalo na kung ikaw itong estudyante, ano, nakikita nila na nagtatrabaho kang ng marangal, ng maayos, workaholic, hindi ka tamad, negosyante, maraming alam, knowledgeable, okay, talentado, they admire you and they know that mag-i-evolve ka, no? Magle-level up ka. And meron naman dito masabi nila na, o napapansin siguro nila na book lover ka, or maganda yung handwriting mo. Sabihin natin na, ang masabi ko kay Collective, maganda yung handwriting niya. So, kung gusto mo magpaturo o magpa-tutor, kay Collective ka magpa-tutor or magpaturo. Maraming alam yun. Maganda yung handwriting niya, or romantic. Maybe they talk about love story or romantic, pagliligaw. Marami ka sigurong alam when it comes to romance. Kaya yung masabi nila is pwede si Collective na tulungan ka dyan. Or mapatulong ka Collective kasi maraming alam si Collective para tungkol dyan sa pangligaw o pangliligaw or book lover yan si Collective. Mahilig yan sa romance or something about like it could be sci-fi. Meron naman dito I'm not judging you mga kapatid, but meron ditong misjudge or nami-misjudge ka or napapansin ng taong ito na palautang. I don't know who is this person, but this is very specific. Kasi meron dito kanina about sa utang, pagbabalak kanina, di ba? Meron naman dito in reverse, this could be one of the Collective na first met na kilala or first met pa lang, very specific, one of you here or someone here in this reading na inutangan mo agad or hiningan mo agad ng tulong when you first met the family member of your person. I'm not judging you here, but this is, ito ang masabi nila, no, tungkol sa'yo na si Collective, this is very specific mga kapatid, si Collective, inutangan ako niya nung una akong makilala or una kami makilala. Si Collective, una kaming makilala ay hiningan ako ng tulong. Something like that. Yeah, so first met, yeah, humingi ka agad ng tulong si Collective dahil nakikita niya na or nakikita mo na stable ang pamilya ng person mo. Or dahil nakitaan mo na matulungin sila. So, hindi ka nagdadalawang isip na humingi ng tulong, no, or umutang. Dahil siguro the reason na nakipag-meet ka sa family member ng person mo dahil marami kang problema that time, kaya lumapit ka sa kanya para humingi ng tulong, umutang or something about na whatever it is na humingi ka ng tulong agad na hindi ka nagdadalawang isip because that moment na nakilala mo sila ay or siya, problemado ka. Very specific here. Na may dinaramdam ka. Na alam mo na matutulungan ka ng pamilyang ito. Or a family member. Okay? So, yeah. So, yung iba naman dito, masasabi ng mga taong ito is psychic ka. Before that, no, someone here, a family member talk about you, siguro na may utang ka nga. Yeah, na may utang ka. Something about na mention ng taong ito na si Collective, inutangan or may utang yan sa akin. Very sensitive here. But again, hindi ito para sa lahat. This is for the person na specifically na may utang sa family member when they first met or when you met this person na inutangan mo or nilapitan mo ng tulong. Okay? Because that moment, you were the, I don't know, lowest, no? Yeah, problemado ka nung time na yun. Kaya inutangan mo. But then again, meron kasi itong napag-usapan ka ng family member na may utang ka sa kanya or sa kanila. Something like that. Ikaw lang nakakaalam. And you can leave your comment below in this video, no, in this reading. What's the reason kung ikaw ito? And it's okay, share your ano lang, yung story para malaman natin kung bakit inutangan mo itong tao ito. Kasi meron itong this person talk about you na may utang ka sa kanya. And meron naman dito na masabi ng tao ito, ng family member nito na maganda ang shoes ni Collective. I don't know kung ano yung brand niya, ano yung size niya, but hinahangaan, no? Hinahangaan ko si Collective kasi yung mga damit niya, napaka-colorful, yung pananamit niya, yung siguro dun sa brand, could be sa brand, no? Napaka-branded ng mga sinusot mo, or it's just like, you look like elegant, napaka-elegante mo. Si Collective, napaka-elegante tingnan, fashionista, mukhang branded yung sinusuot, but it doesn't have to be, no? Mukha ka lang na yayamanin, but then it's just you na maganda or magaling ka lang sa mga pananamit, no? Napaka-fashionista mo lang talaga, napaka-elegant mo lang talaga dalhin yung how you carried yourself. Yeah. And they admire your style. And yeah, masabi nila na I am looking forward to see Collective again kasi napaka-funny, no? Hindi boring kasama. Napaka-joker ni Collective. Happy kasama. Meron naman dito, masabi nila na like again, hindi ka boring. They are looking forward na makita kang muli. Yeah. And generous. Si Collective, napaka-generous. Si Collective talaga pagka nakikita kami, laging siguro binabayaran mo yung food or tinitreat mo sila whenever you meet the family member. Or siguro pagka may mga party-party, you always brought something. Hindi ka pumupunta sa bahay nila or hindi ka nakikipag-meet sa kanila ng empty-handed. You always carried something. Siguro sa part mo lang din na nakakahiya naman na pupunta ka sa bahay nila or may party, salo-salo na wala kang dala. It's just you, no, napaka generous mo or parang ganun ka lang talaga. Laging may bit-bit. May mga pasalubong. Yeah, si Collective, hindi yan nawawala ng mga pasalubong o mga gifts. Laging may bit-bit ng mga regalo yan or pasalubong. Meron naman dito, they talk about si Collective, napaka-religyoso. Always talk about God, their beliefs, or Bible study, something about like Bible, or like again, your beliefs. They talk about your beliefs. And meron naman dito very specifically if you are dealing with a foreigner, a family member na foreigner, or differences, it could be sa skin type or like again, differences. Wow, si Collective, yun napaka-misteryoso. Yeah, I don't know kung it's different, ibang-iba sa paniniwala ko or sa paniniwala namin. Like again, you could be dealing with a family member na a foreigner, no? Ibang paniniwala, religyoso. So, they find you something about like they want to know more about you, your culture, your beliefs. You're different. You are different towards them. Something like that na napaka-misteryoso. And that's why they want to be around with you. Kasi gusto nilang may malalaman tungkol sa iyo. Secrets, I don't know about your secrets. Yeah, misteryoso. Like again, napaka-misteryoso ang dating mo sa kanila. Alright? And overall, tanggap kanila mga kapatid kung ano ka man or kung sino ka man. Yeah, you don't have to worry about yourself. And I'm also getting like, alam ko naman natanggap nila ako. Kasi nga, meron itong napaka-confident mo eh. And that's why these people like napapawaw sila sa iyo dahil you are full of confident. Yeah, napaka-cheerful mong tao. Napaka-wais mong tao, matalino kang tao. And alam mo naman na either tanggap ka nila o hindi, it doesn't matter. Kasi nirerespeto mo pa rin sila. Andyan pa rin yung respeto mo sa kanila. Alright? And that's who you are. And that's their reaction towards you. At yun ang masasabi nila tungkol sa iyo. So let's move on and go na tayo sa yes or no. And think about the question. And mag-meditate ng konti. Pause nyo muna yung video at magtanong ano yung question ninyo. And the answer. So investment, yes. Good news in earthly matters, solid beginnings, setting goals, developing a plan, laying the foundations, taking advantage of opportunities, jumping in consistency, excellent prospects. So yeah, mag-invest kayo guys and keep growing yung finances ninyo, mag-ipon na mag-ipon and invest your money wisely. Alright? So hanggang dito na mga kapatid, I do hope na nag-enjoy ka sa reading nito. Please leave your comment below what do you think about this reading and feel free to share your story. At ako ay nag-enjoy at natutuwa po ako mabasa ang inyong mga saloobin, no? Yung mga story ng buhay ninyo. And pasensya na kung hindi man lahat na nare-replyan ko, but know that nabasa ko po ang inyong mga mensahe dito sa aking any of my tarot reading videos sa YouTube channel ko. Maraming salamat po sa mga supportive ko dyan, sa mga palagyang pagtatangkilik dito sa aking any of my tarot reading videos, sa aking The Star Talking Tarot. I love you guys and thank you for being so supportive here. And shout out sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa aking The Star Talking Tarot YouTube channel. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi and God bless. Bye and thank you.